For this assignment, we are interested in investing in the stock market. And so we want to know the historical price of a particular company, in this case, Apple. So I went ahead and I got the data from Yahoo Finance for the past 6 months, and I pasted it into Excel. After that, I used a very handy insert table function, and this created a table to organize, filter, and sort the data, which was something I didn't know before. Then I clicked on date and clicked on the first of each month because that's the data that we're interested in. So I just did that and deleted all the rows that we didn't need by clicking the rows and hitting delete. So once we have the data we did need, we just inserted here and we put the name of the company, Apple, and we did another insert to put the stock symbol. Once we had that, we sorted from oldest to newest. We also added the source down here, and we did a merge and merge cells and center. And for here, we did a wrap text, and we did a merge cells across so you can see the source. So once we had that, we just took the data and we went to insert, and we went to recommended charts, or you can go to combo and just go directly to the clustered column line on the second axis chart. So once you click on that and you get the chart, you can move it to a new sheet like so, and just click move chart, and that will move it to a new sheet. So once we move it to a new sheet, we just rename it over here and just name it stock chart. So once we have the chart over here, we can go ahead and edit the axis over here. So just double click and you get format axis, and we changed the display units to millions. Then we can go to chart elements and we get axis titles, and we display the secondary vertical title here. So once we have that, we can go here and format axis again. Then we go to number, we go to currency, so this displays in currency with 0 decimal places. After that, we can insert a text box by going here and inserting a text box, and you just click on that to insert text. So after you inserted the text, you can go ahead and change the axis, make sure it's at 11, and make sure this is at 11, and then that's our chart for Apple's monthly stock prices.